Good morning. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about how to do well on your first drive. Let's go ahead and get it. Turns are very advanced and a lot of beginning drivers go over speed. You've got to check traffic left, right, and left. A lot of beginning drivers are so overwhelmed with just traffic checks. Next, you have to signal your intention 100 feet or a half a block. This allows time for other drivers to see your blinker, to slow down, and to make decisions. Typically, beginning drivers go too fast and they turn on the blinker too late, they turn on the blinker too early, or they don't turn on the blinker at all, which is dangerous. And as an instructor, this is a red flag for me. Next, let's talk about stops. It seems very elementary, but a lot of teens and adults don't stop at stop signs, and that is a major failure point. So you need to start applying your brakes as soon as possible. A lot of beginning drivers slam the brake, and if you slam the brake, you're going to upset the chassis in the car. You could potentially get rear-ended. So I tell my students, gradually squeeze the brake and gradually slow down. If you're watching this, you're learning how to drive. My channel is an educational channel. It's a tutorial channel, and you need to really be absorbing this content. Next, you want to stop behind the stop line. That is that big, thick white line. And that line is there for you to have clear view of traffic to the left, traffic in front, and traffic to the right. Also, you have pedestrians who are walking by, so you have to look. You stop, then you do something called show the car, you inch forward, then when it's clear, you make your turn. You also have to stop and check traffic. Just because you have a red light, you still need to stop. And in some states, you can't, or provinces, you have to stop and you can't turn right on red. So you've got to really read those signs. Let's keep going. Turning. Timing. A lot of beginning drivers lack timing. You turn too early and then the car goes over the curb, which is scary to your instructor. You turn too late, then you're making a really wide turn. That is also very dangerous. So you have to slow down soon enough, typically about 10 miles an hour into the turn. Then you want to accelerate halfway out of the turn and gradually press the gas to keep the car accelerating through the turn. Let's continue. Beginning drivers make really short turns. So if you're going to make a short turn, you're going to turn and go right over the curb. You're going to damage the front of the car. Your instructor will be upset. Your parents will look at you silly. Don't do that. Take your time. When your front end is even with the curve of the turn, then you gradually turn into the turn. Let's talk about completing turns. You got to do that traffic check, left, right, and left. You check your rear view mirror and